Hi, I'm always learning new things and happy to share my knowledge, my new knowledge. These are my washer and dryer. Been very happy with both of them. Think I bought that one at Sears and this one at Costco. Anyway, this has the energy preferred setting, which I usually almost always use that. But I've noticed my habit is when the dryer stops, I immediately go and take everything out and put it away. But today, I just let it. I was taking a nap and I just probably let it sit for almost an hour after it quit running. And what I discovered is that the clothes, when I immediately take it out, sometimes the socks, certain heavy things, like these socks here would be not completely dry, and I might have to run it for another 10 minutes or so, timed heat. But today, I think because I just let everything, because when you think about it, it's still quite warm in there when it stops. And I think that just letting it sit there and let that heat, it probably doesn't last too long, but maybe 5 or 10 minutes of extra warmth. Anyway, all I can say is, this isn't scientific study, but my clothes were very dry once I got to taking them out almost an hour after the thing stopped running. So it's something you might consider doing, yeah, or experimenting. Back me up or refute me. Okay, that's all. Silly little thing, but it just was, I thought it was kind of fun finding that out.